So, oh, no, I thought you were actually going to catch that. I am the one and only. No, get out of it! Open it! No! Oh my god! What the? Wait, actually, I can't drink that. Oh, it stinks! Oh, it's cream soda. Oh, that stinks! I hate cream soda. All over me. Oh, litter bug, you're just a litter bug. Do you have another can of soda?
No.
Damn
I
it.
only had one. I actually hate cream soda. Good stuff.
Do you want to go get another one?
I've not got money.
How'd you get it?
From home.
Ah, fair enough. Right. We are now going to...
I'm trying to pick that up.
That was crazy.
Let's now
We're just going to review the fittage. We're going to review the fittage. And, yeah.